Hi, welcome to Mennonite Farmhouse. I'm Leanne, and if you're new to my channel, I do cooking and baking from scratch, canning and dehydrating videos. If that sort of thing interests you, feel free to subscribe to the channel. Is that so? Hey. And remembering God sending His Son to us on that first Christmas, we are exchanging gifts with other women of faith that are here on YouTube. Tiffany at Our Small Town Life is hosting this collaboration of gift exchange. She's been doing this a couple years now and has asked me this year. She's given us all a survey with the women that are participating and then told us who we were blessing. I will post the link to the playlist at the end of this video and you can go see who I blessed. So let's get this package open, shall we? All right. I am being blessed by Sammy over at Managing the Maids. And I'm sure you know her channel if you watch my channel. I invited her to Soup-tember and she knocked it out of the park. She made 4 soups for that video. So I'm surprised that she got my name. And let's not cut myself, right? And first off, we've got a card that says Merry Christmas, Leanne, 2023. And it says, Christmas fills our homes with blessings and with a little truck. Isn't it cute? Have a wonderful and blessed Christmas, sweet friend. I hope these gifts will put a smile on your face and love in your heart. Blessings to you and yours. Love, Sandy. Huh? All right, grocery bags. Just what I want. Yeah, just kidding. I'm sure it's just packaging. Well, we got Santa, or little Santas and snowmen and penguins for wrapping paper. All right. Maybe I should just put this on the floor. All right. I smell something good. It is sugar cookie dough, a candle, soy blend with essence oil. Smells very good. Thank you. We'll put that there. All right. That will get me in the mood to make some Christmas cookies. All right. All right. This looks awesome. What do you got? Cashews, toasted coconut cashews. That sounds delightful. And honey roasted cashews. Yum, yum. We might not wait to open those, but I won't let you. You ever had coconut cashews? That'd be exciting. All right. Oh, wow. We definitely got my color. And it's so soft. Wow. Thank you. We'll take it out later. And there's one more thing in here. Oh, wow. We got some canning lids and ball canning lids. Well, we got 4 jars. And if you need some, check my affiliate link down below. And we got a canning book. Thank you. It's probably the newest edition. Thank you, Sammy. This will definitely come in handy. Well, that's all I have. Very nice. So remember to pay it forward and always go see that person down the street that probably doesn't get any visitors and take them a plate of cookies or something. Just stop by and wave at them. I'm sure it will mean the world to them. So remember, God gave you a great day. Now go do something great. Remember, God gave you a great day. Now go do something great. If you made it this far into the video, I'm sure you're loving the content of this channel. Like us on Facebook and follow us on Instagram for more great content. Thanks so much for watching. Take care and God bless.